Member for Euroa.
Deputy Speaker. Earlier this month, the Seymour community gathered to reflect on the year that has passed since the devastating October 2022 floods. The floods submerged 250 homes and businesses in our local community. At the Seymour Recovery Hub's Community Day, 140 individuals and organisations were recognised for offering their support during the flood event. Alongside my predecessor, Steph Ryan, and many locals, I was honoured to be recognised by our community as a local champion, a certificate proudly displayed in my office as a source of motivation to fight for our community. I won't have time to name them all, but these community champions range from CFA, SES, volunteers, local businesses, sporting clubs, families and dedicated individuals. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the local heroes who contributed to the flood recovery efforts and continue to stand by our town. There are still over 30 uninhabited homes and many displaced families. The past year has been challenging, but I remain immensely proud of this community's resilience in times of crisis. Not all heroes wear capes, but many live in Seymour.